You never guess who I've bumped into.
Yeah, tell you what, right, this man here, he's got a lovely tattoo right here, mate. Right, make sure, yeah, that he gets me on it, mate. You do that, mate.
Oh, absolutely will.
Good man.
Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another video. Today we are at Himley Hall for the Classic and Retro show. We did arrive a bit late because we headed over to Comic-Con this morning, which will probably explain the t-shirt. But yeah, we're here to see what cars are still left. It's still pretty early in the afternoon, so there should be some good motors here. And yeah, there's a long line of cars waiting to leave as well. So we'll check those out and we'll check out the main car arena in the background there. But yeah, should be a good day. So even in the queue to get out with some very tasty motors, and I've just seen this Nissan GTR R35 looking absolutely beautiful. Check out the wrap on this. We have the Batmobile, but a Jaguar version. How cool is that? Absolutely love that build. Always a pleasure to see the General Lee. So we're a little late getting here, so some of the cars are leaving. We're going to do our best to do a walk around. Check out this Trans Am GTA, absolutely love it. With the matte grey Mustang. I identify as a VW. Some very nice VWs here, and a lovely yellow GMC. We have another 300C with the Bentley badge and the Bentley centre caps. Here's Johnny's MX-5. I'll leave his Instagram down below if you want to go give him a follow. The stunning Peaky Blinders paint job on this. We've also got the Peaky Blinders behind as well. But just check that out. You never guess who I've bumped into.
Yeah, tell you what, right, this man here, he's got a lovely tattoo right here, mate. Right, make sure, yeah, that he gets me on it, mate. You do that, mate.
Oh, absolutely will.
Good man, you fucking will. Yeah, you fucking will. Good.
Old school Ford Club. Some proper treasures buried in here. Which one would you go for? The V8 in the Mustang or the V6 in the GTR? Check out all the carbon fibre in the engine bay, even the carbon fibre composite. More carbon on the interior. Back to the Future DMC DeLorean. I love these stylish gull-wing doors. I've seen this F-150 before. I just love seeing it every single time. Roadrunner Racing RS. Here's the Smokey and the Bandit Trans Am we usually see at other car shows. A lovely tribute on the back to his son. Just been speaking to a lovely couple that own the CTSV. Always support what I do, an absolutely lovely couple. One of 3 in the UK, if I've not already said that before on previous videos. Definitely a mean looking machine. We have more Peaky Blinders. And in fact we saw this one last year with a mini Tommy Shelby on the dashboard. Here we have quite literally a Mustang, half Mustang, half cow.
Stop!
wind is starting to pick up. I think the rain is due to head in. And here's the Peaky Blinders Ford. Stunning paint job on that. We have another 300C. Only joking, it's a Bentley this time. Love the plate. NYPD Crown Vic. Not something you see every day.
They've got so much torque that they can push. There's a video on YouTube, 2 of them.
Almost missed this Deadpool MG. Snail. And then we have the Lamborghini Murcielago. Take it easy, mate. See you soon. So here's the line of cars. We're spoiled for choice. I think we're going to go that way and stand by the exit and just listen to some of these cars. They look incredible and the owners have very kindly brought them out today, so it'd be rude not to capture them for you guys. Check out that Corvette as well with the white walls and the silver and white. On paper, it sounds like it wouldn't work, but it works incredibly well. An absolutely timeless classic. So we've casually just got a GT3 sat in the car park. And we got what looks to be a Toyota CRV of some sort, or HRV, whatever they're called. And it's called the Punisher. And it's even got Punisher on the number plate and Samurai spoiler. Machine gun on the roof. And Beast mode has been turned on. So I think I'm going to play it smart. I'm going to give it a couple of hours before I try and leave. Cars don't seem to be moving massively, and there's queues in every direction as far as the eye can see. So I'm going to give it a couple of hours. There's only one way in and one way out, and so you have to alter between the two. So there's still cars coming in. It's going out onto a main road. So yeah, I think I'll stick around for a couple more hours. We found the Joker in car form. Lovely collection of Corvettes. Here's Bruce's Lingenfelter. We've seen it on the channel before. I love this one as well. The blacked out Corvette with the matte coloured exhaust tips. Which pulls the car together really nicely. Combo you don't usually see side by side. We've got the Ferrari 328 GTB and the Dodge Viper RT10. Just check out the interior on this with the Viper on the gear shifter. As we come around the back, almost says Viper on the number plate. The MGB GT being chased by the police in one of the slowest car chases I think I've seen. Just listen to that idle. Could listen to a V8 all day, every day. better backdrop for a car show and to have the beautiful Himley Hall in the background. The organisers of this event definitely chose their venue well, because the shots that you're able to get with the Himley Hall itself in the background is absolutely stunning. And this wouldn't be a bad place for movies as a backdrop, but also maybe our own UK version of Concourse. But we'll have to wait and see on that. But in terms of venue, in terms of location and park grounds, I have to say you chose really well. I have to say the venue chose very well. And we've got some Peaky blinders walking past as well. It's all going on in the Black Country. So although the traffic is slowly trickling out, I have been speaking to a few people who love my videos and have come up to me and said that they really enjoy the content recently and have shown massive amounts of support. So if you are one of those people, massive thank you to you. So the Peaky Blinders and the Shelby Company Limited are heading back to Small Heath in Brum. And the classics continue to roll on out. You alright? So before I sign off for today, I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone that came up to me today with support. You guys are amazing. Now, regardless of whether you've seen the drama that's going on or not, when you come to these types of events that are public, then you're guaranteed, if you bring your kids, they're going to be in the background of someone's photo, they're going to be in the background of somebody's video. It can't be helped sometimes. If you're a photographer or a videographer, then you know exactly what I mean. Waiting for the perfect shot can take ages. So if you're just filming on the fly and you've got to get that shot, you can't stop somebody from walking in your shot. When you come to events, public places, you're more than guaranteed to be in somebody's photos. But I definitely don't mind that. You know, when I go to events and my dad sees me in the back of a photo or a video, he sends it me and says, look, you're famous. And you know, that's what a lot of kids who enjoy my content do. They're like, oh look, I'm in the background here, I'm in the background there. If we're going to start policing public events like it's private property, then just move your public event to a private property. You know, it can't be helped. You're not going to stop everyone who goes to that pub from taking photos or videos. You're not going to stand there in a car park or stand there in a park making people sign waivers. It's just not what happens. The way that people get around that is with private events. When you buy tickets to events, you're guaranteeing yourself to be in somebody's photo, and by buying this ticket you're allowing us to publish these photos. And yeah, it is what it is. But you guys who came up to me today, you've made my day, and I can't thank you all enough. From the bottom of my heart, guys, you guys are incredible. And yeah, I'm just gonna keep on doing what I do, keep filming cars, keep bringing you guys content. I'm not gonna let people bring me down, because that's what people want sometimes. But I'm just gonna rise above it. You know, if you're gonna host your club and host a public event on public property, then you cannot moan about what people do. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you all in my next video.